So my name is Jared Dowdy. I'm the Senior Manager of National Sales Training for Hyundai Motor America. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the Nexo information display. So the great thing about the information display is it's tilted in a way that you're not a distracted driver, so you're not having to take your head and your hands off the steering wheel, and you're not having to focus on something else. It's right in the line of sight. Everything's there for you to see. It's kind of European style. We've kind of followed that same way that Volkswagen and a lot of other European manufacturers have gone to. Other great thing about this screen is from the home screen, you can see 3 different settings. You can see the infotainment or whatever music you're listening to, whether it be Sirius XM, from your phone, wherever it is. The map for the navigation, so you can see where you're going from that screen as well. And then any nearby stations, so if you need to fuel up, you're getting low on hydrogen fuel, all of that stuff is right there at the home screen. As you can see that this vehicle is equipped, like a lot of our other Hyundai vehicles, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Mirrors your phone just like any other one that you have. Get right into it. No different from any other Apple CarPlay phone. So all that technology we've implemented into this vehicle. So from this screen, you can actually see, a lot of us are, with our climate control, we want to know exactly where the air is coming in through. My feet are cold. I'm not getting enough air through the vents. If you click on the buttons, you can actually see the airflow coming out through the vents. So you can adjust that, put it directly on your feet, but it actually shows you where the air is coming in through, so that you can adjust that very easily right there on the screen. So the way that the engineers have designed this is it's very much like a cockpit style, like you're in an airplane. The layout's very easy to understand. It's very ergonomically friendly, very intuitive and easy to find. The other nice thing that we've done is we've integrated BlueLink into the head unit rather than putting it on the rear view mirror. So way easier to find, way easier to work. You can do that through the hands-free voice recognition. You can find nearby stations. You can find food, whatever you're trying to look for. It's very thoughtful in how they laid it out. Some of the buttons have multiple functions. You can get to things from multiple different screens. The other great thing with this vehicle, it's all new to Hyundai. A lot of highline vehicles and luxury vehicles have it, is self-parking. You can do that right inside the vehicle, or you can do it remote outside the vehicle. Buttons right here. You pull up, it recognizes a parking spot. You follow the instructions on screen, and the vehicle will park itself. A lot of times we go into a shopping mall, parking spaces are tight. It's a nice feature to have. When you come back out, you're done shopping, you can pull the vehicle back out without having to be inside the vehicle. So again, my name is Jared Dowdy, Senior Manager of National Sales Training at Hyundai Motor America. It's been a real pleasure introducing you to the Hyundai Nexo, all new hydrogen fuel cell vehicle. If you want any information or need any extra information on this vehicle, please visit our website at HyundaiUSA.com, or the only dealership in the Bay Area that will be selling this vehicle is Capital Hyundai, so please give them a visit. Very knowledgeable about the vehicle, and they'll get you some information on it. Thanks for being here.